Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Mailerlite landing pages tutorial. Mailerlite is a highly rated email marketing platform that offers numerous features. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once you have used that link, you'll be able to get their free 30-day trial period of premium features, and you don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. So you're going to sign up and you'll be redirected to your Mailerlite dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you'll be prompted to verify your email address, so you can quickly do that. After you have verified your email address and you're on your dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Sites. After tapping on Sites, from here you'll be able to create your first landing page. So you're going to tap on Create. Then you can put in your site name. So I'm just going to call it Test, and you can see that you have two options. You can either choose to create a single page, which would be the landing page, or you could choose to create a website with multiple pages. So you could select website if you want. But since this is a landing page tutorial, I'll select landing page, then tap on Save and Continue. After you have selected Save and Continue, since you're new to Mailerlite, you're going to create a subscriber group. For example, I created a group by the name of Free Product Test. So this simply means that all of the email addresses that I collect will be saved into this group. After you have created the group name, you'll now be able to create automations and so on, or campaigns to target that particular group. So you can create a new group. So I'm going to select this group and I'm just going to tap on Continue. After you have selected Continue, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. Keep in mind you only have two options when using the free plan. You can either choose to start from scratch, or you can choose to build your landing page using the Mailerlite AI feature. As you can see, all of the other templates are only available on their paid plan. So let's say, for example, we were to select Build with AI. So we'll tap on Create right here. After you have tapped on Create, from here you have a few options that you can quickly fill in. So you can put in your company or organization name. Then you can select the industry that you're in. So let's say, for example, I were to select agriculture and food services. After doing that, you can add a quick description, so you can describe your desired landing page. So you can put it in right here. So you can see right here, I simply typed in my ideal landing page will be targeting persons that are interested to start the process of becoming a farmer. Then you can scroll down and you can select up to 3 landing pages goal. So my first option would be to capture subscribers. I would also like to, for example, I could select sell digital products, and you can also select any other option. So let's say, for example, I'll be adding a special offer. Then I'll tap on Continue. After tapping on Continue, from here you can see the writing style. So you can choose whether you like it to be natural, playful, or professional. I'll select professional. Then you can select right here, generate, in the bottom right hand corner. After you have selected generate, you're just going to give it a few seconds while your landing page is being generated in the background. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you how to further customize it to your personal liking, and also how you can send it out. So you can see they're adding the finishing touches right there, so it will only take a few seconds. And here is our landing page at the moment. You can see how it looks. So this is it right here. Now to start customizing it is quite straightforward and easy. All you need to do, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can select the version that you would like to use, whether version A, or you can see version B right here, how it looks. So I would prefer version B. After you have done that, if it is a case that you don't like neither of the options, you can tap on regenerate in the bottom left hand corner, and we're going to tap on select version B. After you have tapped on select version B, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you can now start adding your own personal touches. So you can select, for example, the background image that is currently there. After selecting the background image, From here, you can add your own background image. So for example's sake, you could tap on the trash can to remove it, or you could tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner, select background, then you could tap on image. After you have tapped on image, from there you can choose to upload an image from your device. So I'll select my device from the left hand menu option, and let's say for example I were to select a random background image, let's say this one. So I'll tap on open. You can see it is being uploaded right there. Once it has been uploaded, you'll tap on insert, and you can see that the background image has changed. Then you can continue editing it. You can tap on the text section, and from there you can edit the text to your liking. You can also tap on the button that is currently there, and you could edit the button also. And by scrolling down, you can edit each section by tapping on it, as you can see right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add something new, you can tap on the plus right there, and you could add more columns if you want. You can also tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner, and again you could change the background if you want. You can also add different elements by going over to the top left hand corner and tapping on the plus that says add elements, and you can see the different elements that you can add. So for example, if you would like to add a table, a social media link, or icons, you can do that. You can also add videos, buttons, and so on. As you can see right there are numerous options that you have. And to further edit it, you could tap on sections, and you could also add sections, as you can see right there. So you can choose from any one of these pre-made sections, and you could drag and place it. So let's say for example I would like to add an FAQ section. I could simply hover over FAQ. Then from there I can drag and place the FAQ section right there, and you can see that it has been added. It's as easy as that to edit. So again, you'll tap on sections and you can see the different options, whether you like to add gallery, you would like to add a pricing table, or contacts, you can do that. You can also change the style and color by tapping on the paintbrush icon in the top left hand corner. You can see the different options right there. You can change the heading color and text. You can also change the button color and text. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview the changes. You can also see how it would look on mobile by tapping on mobile. After everything is to your liking, you'll tap on done editing in the top right hand corner. After you have selected done editing, from here you can select your URL. So you'll be provided with a free URL, as you can see right there. You could edit the extension. You can also add a favicon if you want by tapping on choose an image, and you can also scroll down and add your page title, and you can also add page keywords and page description if you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then after you have tapped on save and continue, you can see confirm your account to publish sites. So we'll simply tap on get confirmed. After you have done that, you can see have you used other website builders before. You can select yes or no. What platform did you use? You can select the one that you used before. So let's say for example Wix. What content will you share in your newsletter? Are you planning to use Mailerlite for email marketing campaigns? So I'm just going to select yes. Then you'll tap on next step. After you have tapped on next step, do you have any subscribers? And I can select no right there. Then to ensure your business complies with our terms of service, we ask you to verify your website ownership. So you can enter your email address below to confirm your email. So you can do that right there, or you can write a description of how you conduct your business. So you can tap right there, and after doing that, you could enter in your website. Then you could enter in your email address, or you could tap on other, and then from there you could write a quick description and add your social media URL right there. Then have you used other email marketing services before? You can select whether yes or no. Then you can see do you sell products or services online? I'm just going to select no, and you'll tap on confirm. After filling out all of these information, you'll then be able to publish your landing page. It is quite a tedious task to fill out all of this information, but if Mailerlite is the platform that you would like to use, it is worthwhile. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.